I think you also aspire to make a podcast. Why don't you try Anchor? It's free. There are creation tools that allow you to record and edit your podcast right from your phone or computer. Anchor you will distribute your podcast for you so it can be heard on Spotify, Apple and other many more. You can make money from your podcast with no minimum internship. So download Anchor or visit anchor.fm. Episode 36 Thought Thursday. What if theory on time travel come true? Can't find the answer of the question going in your brain, which we call as thoughts? No worry, problem is solved with our Thought Thursday. Hello everyone, your host Brahma here on the show I Got This Today, where on every Thursday we brainstorm on very interesting and weird thoughts and also take you some of the questions too. So next time you have a thought or a question, then put it on my Instagram or tell me through your voice messages. And till now, you should know how to do that. Go to the description, there is a link called as Linktree link. Click that and tell me now. Last Thursday, I told you about theories on time travel, and that was a very great response from your side. So I thought you love time travel talks, right? So I am back with a one more interesting time travel episode. In this episode, I will tell you what if the theories on time travels become possible. Yes, the theory we discussed in our last episode are now coming true. So before listening ahead, please listen to that episode. So you will get to understand this one better. It's our episode 30, so come back soon after listening to that episode. Oh, you are here. Welcome back. Let's start with our crazy thought of time travel. So, the most important thing when we think of time travel is time machine, of course. So, if theories come possible, how would our time machine look? Now, if you go into science fiction, then it is like a watch of time travel or a telephone booth where you call and you are gone in the time. But no, our time machine will almost look like a spacecraft. If you want to go through a infinite cylinder or a wormhole that we have talked about in our last episode, then we need a spacecraft of course and not a watch will help. So great, we have got a spacecraft now. And now imagine that Elon Musk is our good friend. So he launched us with our spacecraft in the space. And now we are going to enter our infinite cylinder that we talked about in last episode. Why am I mentioning this always now? So let's first talk what happens exactly in the infinite cylinder. So we have created an infinite cylinder. It will literally take you in the fourth dimension, and the fourth dimension that we call as is space and time. And this will happen due to rotation of the cylinder and the gravity in it. Now you are in the fourth dimension and now you can enter whichever time you want. And you know what is infinite cylinder is more famous for? It is traveling into past and not in future. And if our other theory of wormholes come true, then it will be more simple. Now before going into past, you would have a thought about the paradox we talk about, right? But for this episode, forget all the paradox. Just imagine. Now you are into past, sitting beside Einstein and talking to him. And the first thing a backbencher will do by going to past is prevent that apple falling on Newton's head, right? Not only a backbencher, but every student will do that. You can also solve many big problems. You can witness World War II, World War One, or you can also go to the time of dinosaurs and see the real Jurassic World. You can also go to the time before any life was existing on the earth. You are getting into part of the most exciting events of the past. But will this all affect the present? It will completely change what we are living now. Imagine if that apple never fall on Newton's head, we would still think that something is holding us on the earth, and we would not know the gravity exists, and there will be very less discoveries that would exist, right? But in this case, our infinite cylinder is an exception. If you went into an infinite cylinder and go into past and come back, then you will enter the world which was actually existing. Means you will enter a parallel universe. But if you go into past with a time travel source like wormhole or a black hole, then probably you will get into a problem. Now that we have came back from the past, now let's travel into the future and see what happened in present. So again we are going through the source of our time travel with our spacecraft, and now we are in future, seeing all robots around us, and there are no more vehicle on the road but the hoverboard in the sky. Everyone is traveling in the sky, floating on their boards. There is a sky auto rickshaw. You can see more robots than the humans. No one is talking to anyone, they are directly communicating with their telepathy devices. And now if you steal one thing from future and bring it to the present, then you will be the discoverer of that discovery for the first time in present, and you will be very famous and rich. But again you will be in the parallel universe where you are the hero of a device that would exist much later, but it exists now, and it will take us to another universe. So that would happen if you go into past and future, and it will surely affect our present. But it would be very exciting to do that. But however, for now, all of this is impossible. So let's come out of our imagination and thoughts and go into our real life and start the hustle we do all the day. I hope you enjoy this exciting episode. I will see you soon in the next one. But till then, go to the description and buy the books given there. They are really knowledgeable. Stay tuned for the next episode, and I will see you soon. Disclaimer: this podcast is based on my views and opinions. I don't mean to hurt anyone's sentiment or disrespect any group or individual.